to address a question that I get all the time, which is, should I buy now while the prices are maybe a little bit higher, but I have a very low interest rate, or should I hold out, see if the market is gonna go down, but risk taking a higher interest rate? So I'm gonna compare those two options side by side and let you make that decision for yourself. I also just wanna note, we're not showing any signs showing that the market is in the direction of going down. So I know that I've heard many people telling me that they're waiting to see if the market is gonna go down before they make a purchase. They end up waiting years and years. So I just wanna encourage you, if you've been on the fence and you've been holding out, you may wanna look at these numbers and think about changing your mind and maybe consider moving in the direction of just purchasing your own home and not paying somebody else's mortgage. So let's look at the numbers. I'm gonna compare buying a $500,000 home at a 2.9% interest rate versus buying a $450,000 home at a 3.9% interest rate. So 1% difference between the two. When you look at them, the total difference in your monthly payment is only $34. So that's a $50,000 difference in purchase price, but it's only a $34 difference in your actual monthly payment. And the cheaper monthly payment is actually on the more expensive home. When you look at it for the total interest paid on the $500,000 home with the 2.9% interest rate, the total interest paid is $206,000. On the 450 with the 3.9%, the total interest paid is $258,000. When you look at the actual total cost for the whole life of the loan, when you're done paying every single monthly payment, the total net home cost on the $500,000 home is going to be $706,000 versus on the $450,000 home, the net home cost is $708,000. So really, when it all boils down, these are very, very similar net home costs at the end of the day. So you wait, and then when you actually look at the numbers, they're very similar. I know it's a hard thing to wrap your mind around because you think, well, if the prices are $50,000 lower, I have to be saving money. But when you take interest into account, it really does not make that much of a difference. If you'd like to see these numbers broken down, please send me an email or a text. I'm happy to send this over to you. I hope this helps.